It gives you all the data for free because it wants to give you data. So that's the thing. There you are using Chrome, you are using Google Map. What is the reason behind that? It's taking all your data, all the data, and it is using this data to give us all the tools to market. এই তুমি ফেসবুকে অ্যাড চালাচ্ছ, গুগলে অ্যাড চালাচ্ছ, so this data they are having of you using Google Chrome. We gotta use that data to sell our product, like target you. Like whenever you are searching something on Google, searching something on Chrome, that there is a small cookie file which is getting saved in your PC. So when I'm running some advertisement, I can start targeting you. So you visited this website, this small cookie file is getting saved. You visiting some other websites also, and slowly you're gonna start seeing advertisement in all these websites. So that's the thing. That's how it works. So whenever